Happy Thanksgiving, dudes and Foxy Dudettes. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. I hope you didn't eat too much turkey, because now we're getting into one of my favorite parts of the holiday, shopping. So I'm going to tell you about some cool deals that are going on, so please stay tuned and we'll hop right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. My name is Chris. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we cover a whole bunch of topics trying to elevate you to that well-rounded status. Today is no different, but we're going to keep it short today because we're just going to be talking about some Black Friday deals, and this way you guys can get back to eating the turkey. So I'll tell you about the first one now. So the first one we're going to talk about is none other than our very own merch page that you can find at thewellroundeddude.com. Normally, I would tell you Dude 15 would get you 15% off your total purchase, which could still work. But for today, which is Black Friday, through the weekend, and on Cyber Monday, we're going to be running a special deal. 30% off some items. Can't do all of them, but 30% off most of what's on for sale at our merch page. Cyber 30 will get you 30% off our merch page, most of the items. Again, for the items that won't work with the 30% off code, Cyber 20 will get you 20% off, and that should cover everything else. So those are your three codes in order: Cyber 30, Cyber 20, Dude 15, just in case Cyber 20 doesn't work, but that should get you covered for this cyber season. Next up, be sure to go check our friends out over at Pete and Pedro. They have a whole bunch of stuff going on this weekend that you guys will not want to miss out on. You can pick yourself up fan favorite Villain. If you guys don't remember, this is a fantastic cologne. I covered it here, but just in case you don't remember, I'll tell you again. Inspired by Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille, this scent comes in at under $50. With notes of tobacco and vanilla, obviously. It's a crowd pleaser and the perfect scent for this time of season. But Pete and Pedro is also known for their world famous hair care products. I just started using the Bold shampoo. This stuff smells fantastic. It smells like bourbon. It's amazing. You get a nice rich lather, and it is sulfate and paraben free, so it won't harm your hair. It'll smell terrific, and it'll make it look even better. And don't forget about the conditioner. Pete and Pedro has the Cowboy conditioner. This has scents of tobacco. It's a tobacco cream conditioner. Pair this together with your Bourbon shampoo. You guys can't go wrong with this. And let's not stop there. The body wash is amazing too. This is Desperado. This has notes of rum and tobacco. I'm telling you, as soon as you crack it open, you can really smell the rum. It is a fantastic scent. And what's really cool is they have a whole bad boy bundle where you can get the Desperado, the body wash right here, and the shampoo and conditioner I just showed you in a set, and you can save some money. But you can even save a little bit more if you use our code WellRounded10. We'll get you an extra 10% off an already amazing discounted bundle. And they call it the Bad Boy Scent Kit, and they ain't lying. It's my opinion, to make it a true bad boy kit, throw a bottle of Villain in there on top of the body wash and the shampoo and conditioner set. It is the true definition of a bad boy. Plus, even if you're not ready to pull the trigger on a full bottle of Villain, you can get a sample size. They do have those available, and that code WellRounded10 is good for all of that stuff. You'll be able to save a ton of money on an already great deal. A couple more honorable mentions before we let you get back to shopping. Tiege Hanley. Give the gift of skincare. Get the gift for yourself. You can have on the most badass outfit ever, and if your skin is a mess, it's a no-go. But Tiege Hanley will take care of that. They're good friends of ours, good friends of the channel, and the products are amazing. You can't go wrong. They've got some Black Friday specials going on. Click the link down in the description to be sure to take them up on that offer, guys. You won't regret Tiege Hanley. Speaking of clothes, Menlo Club is sure to be doing a sale. I know they've got something going on. But it's not just the package. I've told you guys about the package before, where you can get the monthly curated clothes for $60, but you can buy just the individual items in their different stores, such as the Kurt white minimal leather sneaker that I showed you guys before, the black suede boots from this video right here. You can't go wrong with the quality at Menlo Club or any of their stores. So if you do decide to subscribe to the curated monthly package, check the link out in the description and you won't be sorry. Amazing clothes at an amazing value. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week's video. Once again, I hope you had a wonderful holiday and I hope you have a wonderful Black Friday weekend and Cyber Monday. Be sure to take us up on those sales. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share. Definitely ring the notification bell. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm because we got some good stuff coming and I don't want you guys to miss it. Alright, be sure to check out the wellroundeddude.com. Normally, this is where I would say Dude 15 gets you 15% off your total purchase. And that's still true, but it's not just Dude 15 this week. It's Dude 15, Cyber 20, and Cyber 30 can save you a whole bunch of money on the amazing products on our merch page. You guys won't want to miss it. There's all kinds of stuff. T-shirts, coffee mugs, leggings, pillows, posters. There's tank tops, girls' tank tops, men's tank tops, shirts, all kinds of stuff. Be sure to check it out. You guys won't be sorry. Alright, and be sure to check out the Pete and Pedro link and Tiege Hanley and Menlo Club stuff. You guys won't want to miss out on the deals that they have going. The products are amazing. You'll love them. I'm talking too much right now. I gotta go because I've got sales to do and I want to eat some more turkey. So, peace.